What should you expect when selling your home this summer? So you're thinking about selling your home this summer, but you're not sure what to expect. Maybe you've heard it's still a good time, or perhaps you're wondering why some homes are still sitting while others are selling fast. Well, the truth is the market is shifting. Inventory is up, buyers have more options, and they're taking their time. If you want to sell quickly and avoid price cuts, there are a few things you need to do before you list. Let me walk you through 3 simple but essential steps to help you stay ahead of the market this summer. Number 1, fix the little things first before you list. First things first, get ahead of buyer objections. Most buyers right now are tight on cash because of higher interest rates. That means they don't want to take on repairs right after closing. So before you list, walk through your home and look for anything a buyer might flag. Loose doorknobs, repaint scuff walls, leaky faucet in the bathroom. Fix it now. These may seem like minor issues, but together they shape how your home feels, whether a buyer sees it as move-in ready or a project. If those repairs are needed during the inspection, they could cost you even more later or even kill the deal. And number 2, create a space buyers can picture themselves in. Next up is staging. And no, this doesn't mean hiring a designer or buying all new furniture. It means creating a clean, neutral space that helps buyers imagine living there. Start by decluttering. Clear off countertops, remove extra furniture, box up anything personal like family photos or bold artwork. You want the space to feel open and calm. Add simple touches like fresh towels in the bathroom or a bowl of lemons in the kitchen. This helps buyers focus on your home's best features instead of your personal style. And when they can see themselves living there, that's when offers start coming in. And number 3, make a plan for showings. Here's something many sellers overlook. How your home feels during showings matters. If you have young kids or pets, keeping the house clean and distraction-free can be tricky. That's why it helps you plan ahead. Talk to your agent about the best times to show your home and set a schedule that works for you. If you can step out during those showings and take pets with you, buyers will feel more comfortable and spend more time exploring your home. It takes a little effort, but it goes a long way towards creating the right impression. Selling a home in the summer of 2025 is absolutely doable, but it takes the right prep and a smart plan. Fix what needs fixing, stage your space to show it off well, and make it easy for buyers to visit. If you want help figuring out where to start or what repairs to focus on, I'm happy to walk through it with you. Just reach out and let's put together a plan that helps you get your home sold quickly and for the best possible price.